All right, integrated one. I'm going to show you this. This is what our assignment looks like today, but I'm not going to model all of this. We did this yesterday, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do in this video today. If you scroll down to number 9, you will see that I have y'all using Desmos. I'm going to give you a quick Desmos tutorial on how to do this. So what I want on these, it's pretty self-explanatory. It says use Desmos to graph the equation, sketch your graph, answer whether 1 to 1. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's check out number 9 together. So do you see this 3x squared minus 2x plus 4? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to Desmos. How do you get there? Well, you go like this. There's two ways. You can go to Google. Google's always your friend. Desmos graphing. You can type that in, Desmos graphing, and then it'll bring you up to this calculator right here. Boom. Now that we're here, we're going to go back over to this problem and check it out. F of x equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. So you're going to type f, and then you're going to do shift 9, that's your parentheses. Then you're going to write x, then you're going to go shift 0, that's the other parentheses. You're going to type the equal sign, and then you're going to write the equation. What was it? It was 3x squared. So you're going to type 3x. Now, in order to get that squared up there, there's a little caret. If you look at 6, the number 6 on your keyboard, there's a little caret thing, that little like hill. You're going to hit shift 6. Notice how it moves you up, and you're going to put the exponent. Then you're going to hit your arrow to the right, and then that'll set your cursor back down. Then you're going to write in minus 2x. So you have minus 2x and then plus 4. Check it out. Oh, God, some of y'all will have things like this. Mister, it's not working. I don't see a graph. Move it around, y'all. Check it out. This is your graph. Does your graph have to be perfect on your sheet? No. Are y'all artists? I don't know. I'm not. I don't need that from you. What I need from you is what's it called? Just a quick sketch on here. So check it out. I see that it's around there. I'm going to go over to this problem. And when I tell you quick sketch, I mean quick sketch. I don't need anything that crazy. So, like, here we go. Oh, did I even do that right? Am I already doing this wrong? Yeah, I'm already doing it wrong. Boom, undo it. It's above that. Something like this. Boom, boom. Now you have your picture. Now what you can do is your vertical line test. We can do our vertical line test. Boom, 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 boom. That looks like one space. So is that a function or one cross? Yep, that's a function. Now let's do our horizontal line test. Hold on. Uh-oh, it hit twice. Is this a one-to-one? The answer is no. So that's how Desmos works. I'm going to show you another thing. You'll see that there are decimals. Go ahead and use those. That's what calculators are for. Check out number 14. Do you see that square root right here on number 14? You see that thing right here? I'm going to take you to Desmos. I'm going to go down here. Look at the bottom left on this corner right here. Badoop. That sucker right there is your square root. So if I type in square root of 4, check it out, it equals 2. Square root of 9 equals 3. That's how you write that in there. That is your Desmos tutorial. Good luck.